Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to reboot MacBook. Whether your MacBook is frozen, running slow, apps are not responding, or you just want to refresh the system, rebooting can solve many common problems. So let's get started. Before we begin, let's quickly understand what reboot means. Reboot simply means turning your MacBook off and then returning it back on automatically. This helps clear temporary system glitches, refresh memory and background processes, improves performance, fix small software issues, and the best part, it only takes a few seconds. Okay, let's come to the method number 1. This is the easiest and safest method. Here's how to do it. Keep your cursor on this Apple icon, click on this. From the drop down menu, you can see here restart. Now click on this restart. As you can see, it is showing, are you sure you want to restart your computer now? Just click on restart again. Your MacBook will now close all apps and reboot automatically. This method works on MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, Intel Macs, Apple Silicon Macs like M1, M2 and M3. And the method 2 is force reboot frozen MacBook. Don't worry, you can force reboot it. Here's how. Press and hold the power button for around 10 seconds. Your MacBook will shut down completely and then wait for 5 seconds. Then press the power button once again to turn it back on. This method is useful when screen freezes, cursor stops moving, apps crashes, Mac becomes unresponsive. But remember, forced reboot should only be used when normal restart does not work, because unsaved work may be lost. Okay, you should reboot your MacBook when it feels slow, battery drains quickly, Wi-Fi or Bluetooth stop working, apps keep crashing, after software updates, before troubleshooting problems. Restarting once every few days can actually help keep your Mac running smoothly. So that's how you can reboot your Mac easily. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more MacBook tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.